Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about how to find tungsten ore in Once Human. So before we begin, you can consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. So in your game, what you're going to do is, let's say you are playing Once Human and you want to find tungsten ore. So for that, you need to, in order to get your hands on these resources, make your way to the red sands using the map to navigate this location. And that is going to be yielding the highest amount of resources, as it is the high tier area. Alongside tungsten, you will find many other valuable resources such as aluminum, copper, and gold around here. So make sure to go to the red sands. That is the exact place that we're going to be heading over to. And if you are still confused how to head over to red sands, you're going to be using the map to navigate around. Make sure you have these items already. Make sure to craft your map, and once you do, eventually you will be able to find red sands, and there you have your tungsten ore. So if you find this video informative in any certain way, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.